If you're struggling to sell your product or service, or you want to boost your income, this video is for you. Today, I'm revealing proven strategies that successful entrepreneurs use to sell more, increase demand, and create loyal customers. Let's dive in. To sell more, you must understand who you're selling to. Most people try to sell to everyone and end up selling to no one. So, to sell more, first ask yourself these questions. 1. Who is my ideal customer? 2. What problem are they trying to solve? 3. What emotion drives their purchase? Example. If you're selling fitness coaching, your customer's problem isn't losing weight. Their emotional driver is, I want to feel confident in my own body. When you understand their pain, you can present your product as the solution. People don't buy a product, they buy what that product does for them. Instead of saying, I sell social media management services, say, I help businesses make more sales through social media without spending hours creating content. Don't forget that people buy from people they trust. To build trust fast, show testimonials. Share before and after results. Show behind the scenes. Display past client results. And also, the more value you give for free, the more people will trust and buy from you. Give free tips, free samples, free training videos. When you help people first, they naturally want to buy from you. And use these phrases are very important. Like, limited slots available. Offer expires Friday. Only 10 products left. Remember, selling is not about convincing people. It's about helping the right people see your value. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe. And leave a comment, I will sell more.